Long, long ago, on the island of destiny, there lived a magical people called the Tuatha de Danann. They were the ever-living ones who had come from the bright cities in the east and landed on the island in a cloud. They defeated the Firbolg tribes, and their champion slain a terrible giant who cut off the king's right hand with a single sweep of his sword. But they could not defeat the sons of Mil, who came to the island across the stormy seas. The people fled to the she-mounds, the secret caves beneath the green fields of Caramel, and for more than 1,000 years they remained hidden deep inside the earth, waiting for a hero. An ordinary boy on an extraordinary quest. He must find these 3 precious things. The Cladach ring, King Nuada's sword of light, and the shining crown of the river goddess, so that the people might escape the darkness and step back into the light.